to WTFSalesforce.com. I'm Brian Clark. I am now a 7-year Salesforce certified developer here to cover the features and highlights of the Spring 19 release, including our challenge, if I can limit myself to only saying release once per video. Wait, did I just blow it? Oh well. Spring 19 preview instances were deployed earlier this month, with non-preview instances scheduled to be upgraded in a couple of weeks on February 8th and 9th. Check out our previous episode by clicking on the link below for coverage of the Winter 19 highlights, such as comfy and compact views, searching while in list views, as well as feedback forms when users switch from the Lightning user experience back to Classic. One of the biggest surprises of the Spring 19 is Salesforce is increasing the data storage by 10 times, meaning that if the org started out with 1 gig, you now have 10 gigs available, which for many of my customers will ease their anxieties when it comes to which items do they keep, what do they purge, making it a lot easier. We'll see if the increase becomes available in late March. If you're like me, you're tired of always seeing the recently viewed as your default list view anytime you go to a tab. Now with the Spring 19, the default list that you want can be pinned, and any list you can now make your default view. As Salesforce is always looking to improve and incorporate solutions that are provided by third-party applications like SalesLoft, Spring 19 now offers high-velocity sales. You can build and schedule cadences to include activities like making a call, following up with an email, then checking in with them 5 days later. What's a really nice touch is the ability to work from a prioritized queue that shows leads and contacts in the sales cadence at a glance as to which ones are ready for follow-up. If you've migrated from classic email templates to Lightning templates, you may have noticed or even frustrated some users because we were unable to categorize Lightning email templates into different folders, such as having a folder for sales and a folder for support. Now, Salesforce has even improved upon that by now offering the ability to nest folders, making it even easier to categorize and organize to find the correct email template. So what started out as visual workflow, visual process flow, flow, Cloudflow Designer now brings us Lightning Flows and the Lightning Flow Builder. Please let me know if I've missed any renaming of those in the comments below. Salesforce has streamlined the toolbox so it's easier to choose the right element or the resource for the flow. For example, consolidating data elements and how variables are created. We don't have to worry about should we use a fast create, should we use a record create, or what type of variable we need. Salesforce has also renamed some of the elements to be more intuitive, such as replacing the S object data type. It's now just simply called a record. Just a reminder, now that Spring 19 is almost upon us, the field history tracking will now be deleted after 18 months. But with the increase of the data storage, now might be a time to explore setting up a shadow object. Or you may want to reach out to Salesforce and see about their Field Audit Trail add-on that's available for purchase. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe. Our next episode is going to be specific for developers, as we're going to be taking a deeper dive into some of the upcoming changes, such as the retirement of the Force IDE. Head over to WTFSalesforce.com where you can commiserate with us. Thanks a lot.